Now, the gross multiple of invested capital is equal to FEC V2 over FEC V1. So it must also be true that it's equal to the product of E2, M2, ER2, and Phi2 divided by the product of E1, M1, ER1, and Phi1. The commutative property of multiplication says that we can rearrange these variables as follows so that the gross multiple is equal to the product of E2 over E1, M2 over M1, ER2 over ER1, and Phi2 over Phi1. And believe it or not, we're basically done. These ratios, like E2 over E1 and M2 over M1, they are the logarithmic model units of value creation. They are just as valid as the absolute value creation units that we saw in VC 104 or the times money value creation units that we saw in VC 103. I call them equity return multipliers and designate them with the Greek letter chi. Here's how they work. If EBITDA increases, E2 will be bigger than E1, and that makes the EBITDA growth multiplier greater than 1. This has a positive influence on value creation that works to increase the gross multiple of invested capital. If the GP's ownership percentage decreases due to dilution, then Phi2 will be smaller than Phi1, and that makes the fund ownership multiplier less than 1. This has a negative influence on value creation that works to decrease the gross multiple of invested capital. So equity return multipliers that are greater than 1, they increase value creation, and equity return multipliers that are less than 1, they decrease value creation.